Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to show my portfolio as well as I'm going to discuss about my investment strategy, how I'm investing into stocks and mutual fund. Friends, when it comes to the world of investment, everybody has their different style of investment. They will build their portfolio according to their goal, according to their risk appetite, according to their time horizon. In the same way, even I am also building my own portfolio based on my goal, based on my investment horizon and risk appetite. Friends, whatever the investment I am doing, so I have done two part. So my 60% of money I am investing into mutual fund, my 40% of money I am investing into direct stock. When I want to invest into direct stock, my most of the money I'm investing into large cap category stocks. Why large cap? Large cap stocks, they are the market leader in their respective segment. They may not generate a multi-bagger return. They will give you the consistent return. As well as if you compare with the mid and small cap category stocks, large cap category stocks, they are less volatile in the nature. That's the reason it will give more stability to your portfolio. That's why I'm having good amount of allocation into large cap category stocks. Friends, as well as when I want to invest into direct stock, I do not take too much of exposure in single stock. My maximum allocation to single stock is going to be at 10 percentage. Let's say that our portfolio size is 1 lakh rupees. My maximum allocation to single stock is going to be at 10,000 rupees, which is going to be at 10 percentage. Right now, company may be having a good business, may be having a good future growth potential, but in the future, we don't know what's going to happen. So if something happens to that company, my maximum loss is going to be at 10 percentage, which is going to be at 10,000. That's the reason I will not take too much of exposure into single stock. So friends, many people, they always think about the multi-bagger return. So in that time, they will forget the risk. Friends, it's not only about generating the multi-bagger return. You should also know how to manage your risk. Friends, if you manage your risk, then only you can build a right portfolio. Friends, with regards to the mutual fund, my most of the money I'm investing into mid and small cap category mutual fund. Why mid and small cap category mutual fund? In stocks, what I have done is I'm completely investing into large cap category stocks. In mutual fund, I'm taking my exposure into mid and small cap category mutual fund in a systematic manner, SIP mode, and I'm investing for another 10 years or 15 years, and I'm not going to touch this money for a long term. So in the long term, this mid and small cap category mutual funds, which will generate a multi-bagger return. This is how I'm investing into stocks and mutual fund. Friends, if you look at my stock portfolio, Trend, Asian Paint, HDFC Bank, Federalite Industry, Reliance Industry, Kotak Bank, so Tata Power, ITC, Federal Bank, Astral Pipe, CAMS, Apple India, Angel One, Avalon Technology, Tata Chemicals, Sheila Foam Limited, Happiest Mind, and Sonata Software. Friends, if you look at the sector allocation, so 33% of allocation into financials, 22% of allocation into material, so 17% of allocation into consumer discretionary, 6% of allocation into communication services, 5% of allocation into energy. So again, 5% of allocation into information technology, 4% of allocation into industrial, 2% of allocation into utilities, again 2% of allocation into consumer staple. Friends, if you look at the stock buying price and current market price and gain in the percentage. So Apple, this share I have bought at 1069. Right now, stock is trading at around 1600, wherein I have generated 50% of return. Angel, I have bought this at 2730. Right now, stock is trading at 2600, wherein I have generated 5% negative return. Asian Paint, so buying price is 3036. Right now, stock is trading at 3200, where I generated 8% of return. Astral Pipe, buying price is 1772. Right now, stock is trading at around 2000 rupees, wherein I generated 11% of return. So Avalon Technology, buying price is 500. So right now, stock is trading at 586, wherein I generated 17% of return. CAMS, Computer Age Management Services, buying price is around 2300. Right now, stock is trading at 4500, wherein I have generated 99% of return. Federal Bank, so buying price is 133. Right now, stock is trading at 197. So wherein I've generated 47% of return. Happiest Mind, buying price is 831. Right now, stock is trading at 806, where I generated 3% negative return. HDFC Bank buying price is 1479. Right now stock is trading at around 1700 where I generated 17% return. ITC buying price is 436. So right now stock is trading at 516. So where I've generated 18% of return. Kotak Bank buying price is around 1600. Right now stock is trading at 1879. So where I've generated 19% of return. Pidilite Industry buying price is 2350. Right now stock is trading at 3340 where I've generated 42% of return. Reliance Industry buying price is 2268. Right now stock is trading at around 3000 where I've generated 29% return. Sheila Foam Limited. So buying price is 928. Right now stock is trading at 915 where I've generated 1% negative return. Sonata Software buying price is 522. Right now stock is trading at 634. So where I've generated 21% of return. So Tata Chemical buying price is 950. Right now, stock is trading at around 1100, where I've generated 19% return. So Tata Power buying price is 247. Right now, stock is trading at 481. So where I've generated 95% of return. Last one is Trent Limited. This has generated multi-bagger return for me. Buying price is 2600. Right now, stock is trading at 7600, where I've generated 192% of return. Friends, if you look at my mutual fund portfolio, I've been doing SIP Nippon India Growth Fund, Kotak Emerging Fund, Access Mid Cap Fund, Invesco India Mid Cap Fund, HDFC Small Cap, DSP Mid Cap, SBI Small Cap, Aditya Birla Small Cap, Edelweiss Mid Cap. For the last 4 years, I've invested 6,36,000. Right now, market value is 12,36,000. Total gain is around 6 lakh rupees. Friends, this is how I have been investing into stocks and mutual fund, and I have built a right balanced portfolio according to my risk appetite. Friends, in this video, I showed my portfolio and I discussed about my investment strategy. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please share it with the community. Thank you so much.